You searched how to buy shares of Lilium Nv. Lilium Nv develops electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LILMF. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. To buy LILMF, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LILMF to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ Lilium Nv stock and not a similarly named instrument. On the asset page, check the company description, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it's Lilium Nv. Verify the ticker LILMF and the NASDAQ listing before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Lilium position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link to eToro in the description if you want to open an account.